Okay, let's do this question in a very detailed way, okay, as requested. First, actually we can solve this using the quotient rule, okay. You have a U here, you have a V here, okay. But let's do it by splitting it into 3 terms, okay. Now, 3x squared plus x equal to half. Okay. Now square root actually is 2 to the power of 1. Okay. So actually it can be written. The term can be written in this manner. X, the root, which is 2, the square root, is the denominator of the power. Then 1 is the numerator. Okay. Now, actually this is a 1. Okay. So that's why this power is the numerator equal to half. The root, okay. If this is cube root, then this is 3 here. It becomes the denominator. Now, with that, what we're going to do, we're going to split the term 3x 2 over x half plus x over x half minus 1 over 2. Oops, sorry. This is supposed to be minus 1. Okay. It's 1 over x half. Okay, now let's look at it this way. Using the law of indices, I'm going to bring this denominator up. So it's going to x. But remember, when you change sign, denominator, numerator, you change the sign. From numerator to denominator, you also change the signs. Okay, now then you have x dot x minus half. Then you got minus 1 times x minus half. Okay, now from here, 3. Now you're having the same base here, x, so you can actually combine the power. So it's 2, this multiply here, so it's plus. The second term with the base of x is minus, so plus half. Okay. Now, this x to the power of 1 is actually there's a 1 time means plus minus half. Okay, minus this 1 is just a numerator. We don't write this. So it's x minus half. Okay, simplify this further. It's come 3x. Positive times negative come negative. So 2 minus half. We end up with 1.5 or 3 over 2. Then plus x. 1 plus minus become minus. 1 minus half. You got a half. Okay. Now let's differentiate this. Let's say this is equal to y. Therefore, dy dx, using the law of differentiation, keep the coefficient, bring 3 over 2 down here. Okay, x, then 3 over 2 minus 1. Okay. Again, half, put it in front here, and then x half minus 1. Okay. Now, so this one minus half, bring it here, minus half then x minus half minus 1. Okay, now, so 3 times 3 is 9 over 2. This x 3.5 minus 1, which gives you 3.5 minus 1 become half, okay, plus half. This x minus half. So minus time become plus half. X minus 3 over 2. Okay, now, see you get a 2, 2, 2. So we can consider this a common factor. Front. Now, so you have a 9 x half. Now, you take out the half, put here. This one is negative power. So I'm going to convert and bring it down to become the denominator. So when you change from numerator to denominator, you have to change the sign. Minus half. Okay. Now plus half. This one time. You change the sign. Minus 3 over 2. Okay, the bracket. So it's half. 9x half. Plus. Minus times minus become plus. So it's x half. Plus. Oh, sorry, these have been taken out. Okay, so this is 1 over x 3 over 2. Okay, now, see we started off with using the root, the indices, they're using a root, so we are going to convert this whole thing. So it's half 9 square root x. This square root x half to the power of half means the square root plus 1 over x half means square root x plus now the denominator is the root, the numerator is the power, which is 3. Okay, now if you want to multiply back the 2 inside, so it becomes 9 over 2 square root x plus 1 over square root x plus 1 over square root x is 3. Okay, so that's it. Hope that if you still don't understand, let me know. Wait, there's supposed to be 2 here, then also a 2 here. Okay.